guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you all can achieve a bushy and longer money plant or pothos. And trust me, with these tips, your plant is going to be on point. For getting these tips, you need to watch the entire video. So watch the video till the end. And if you found this video informative, then do subscribe my channel for further updates. Now let's talk about light requirement. As money plant or pothos loves bright and indirect sunlight, so find that spot accordingly. And remember, these plants are pretty low maintenance, so you don't need to stress about finding the perfect spot. If your money plant have yellow leaves and droppy leaves, so remove all of them because they attract negative energy and these are not good for plant's growth. So remove all of them. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can make your plant sad and droppy. So water your money plant when the top inch of the soil is dry, and don't forget to use well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging condition. Now comes to misting. Misting the leaves of money plant can work wonders. Why? Well, these plants are native to tropical region with high humidity level. So recreating that environment is key. And this will help them hydrating and happy. Now comes to very essential part, that is pruning or trimming. This is the crucial step in maintaining a bushy or longer money plant. See this trailing, I have pruned it a month ago. Now new stem is coming from it. Trimming the trailing stem encourages new growth and prevents your plant from getting leggy. अपने मनी प्लांट और पोथोस को घना बनाने के लिए उसको ट्रिम जरूर करते रहें। 1 महीने में एक बार ट्रिम जरूर करें। उससे प्लांट काफ़ी बुशी लगेगा और ग्रोथ भी काफ़ी अच्छी होगी। ये नियॉन पोथोस है और मैंने इसको इनिशियल डेज में ही ट्रिम कर दिया था और आप देख सकते हैं इसमें कितनी सारी ट्रेलिंग स्टेम्स हैं। These more trailing stems enhance the beauty of your money plant or pothos. By using a moss pole or moss stick support, you are encouraging your money plant to grow upward or vertically. This allows the plant to distribute its energy evenly, resulting in more branches and leaves. Now let's talk about propagation part. You can easily propagate them by taking stems cutting. Simply just snip off a healthy stem, then place into the water and moist soil. Take in the pruned cutting and place them into soil like we placed in water. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care updates. So see you next time. Bye bye. Happy gardening.